Coming to place one knee on a flat bench, place the other hand forward in front of you. The idea is to hang the knee and the alternate arm with the dumbbell parallel to the bench, knee and hand support. From here we're going to gently pull the dumbbell to our torso without changing the structure of the back, preparing the weight evenly on the supporting leg and supporting arm allows for a smooth pull of the dumbbell. Slowly bringing it from as high as we can pull it, slowly back down to hang, and then pulling back up again. Remember to draw the navel in, puff the chest up, chin down, and after 12 reps, swap sides. Remember, knees and arms hang parallel, weight on the back leg and front arm mostly. Slowly take the weight from trying to straighten the arm towards the floor, pulling all the way up, elbow behind our back, and then slowly back down again. Navel in, chest up, chin down, prevents the back from arching. Try to feel the whole body pulling off the bench, pulling off the floor to perform each rep. And when you're finished, hang the dumbbell and gently let it drop to the floor.